Hey, it's week 4, day 5 of earthquakes in London, and we are in Poole. Let's go to the lighthouse. Come on. And here we are. Here is the lighthouse. We're back on show day number 2. It's Jack. He's Jack. Yay!
We're getting ready for the next show. Ironing, washing all the smelly socks and underwear. Mother would be proud.
So I've got a little bit of time, and then in about 3 minutes we're going to be doing the mother's scene, like tapping, practicing, and we're going to be all in sync because it's going to be very creepy. You know what I mean?
If you do this sort of work, it's clear that releasing huge quantities of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere at such high altitudes will cause heat to be reflected rather than released, potentially causing rising
No, Robert! Hang on! Not in the 80s. It's absolutely who I am. It absolutely is.
You like me?
Well done.
End of Friday.
So we stop tomorrow, and then we're done with earthquakes. Very sad.
I don't want to leave. I just want to stay in earthquakes in London. I want to be Tom forever.
I kind of want to be Jasmine. She's very naughty.
If it means I get to make out with Jess.
The green man. There you go. Green to go.